Hey, what's up guys? It's Brian here with Twin Power. Today we want to go over some batteries with you. Now for you V-twin guys that are just breaking into some nice summer or spring riding weather and going out for the first time and your bike's not starting up, this video is for you. Instead of replacing those batteries with the very costly OEM batteries, Twin Power has some really nice alternatives that will get you better performance and save you a lot of money. First, I want to start off with their high performance battery. Now this is a factory activated, means it's already filled and sealed battery. All you have to do when you purchase it is put it on a charge for a little bit and then install it into your bike and you're good to go. This is going to give you the same factory rated cranking amps, cold cranking amps, and life cycle. 2-year warranty with this as well, which with most OEM batteries only come with a 6-month. The premium is just the next step up. So you get that same 2-year warranty, but you get a little bit more of that cold cranking amps and cranking power that you really need and want. You can get that high performance a little bit longer with the lifespan of the premium battery. For a lot of guys, they really, especially with the big twins, or if you have any motor work done to your bike, a lot of guys are moving to lithium ion, and there's 2 large benefits with it. One is it gives you a great amount more of cold cranking and cranking amps. So again, those high compression motors or overbuilt motors, you really want to look at the lithium ion. And part 2 of that is extreme weight savings. You're going to get a workout with any of the performance or premium batteries, whereas opposed to the lithium ion, they're very light. And we're going to show you the difference with the scale here in just one moment. So let's bring this out and let's compare your factory battery to a lithium ion. As you'll see, the factory battery, man, if you're a CrossFitter, this is for you. Throw that on there. My scale doesn't even measure it. These are probably 10 to 15 pounds, especially, now this is kind of an extreme example. This is for your big twin guys. But let's compare that to the same battery in lithium ion. A whopping 3.6 pounds. So you're going to save quite a bit of weight. Now, these are 3 great options for you. Don't be a sucker and spend more money on an OEM battery. Check out Twin Power, whether it's the high performance, the premium, or the lithium ion. Get them in your bikes this summer and get out and ride.